Hi there, Poppin PJ here. I'm going to show you how to make a super cute but simple Easter bunny using the wood from this spool. We better get started before the spool rolls away. I am going to begin with taking apart the spool using my wrench here. I loosened it up so now I can take out these metal rods. I'm going to have a little fun twirling the rods. Now I'm going to continue removing the rest of them. I said, oh boy, because I dropped my wrench inside. Got it. So with the top off, you can see the curved boards of the spool that I will be using to make our spool wood Easter bunnies. I am taking one of the pieces of spool wood and measuring 1 1/4 inches from each end because that is how wide I want the bunny ears to be. Next, from there, I'm going to make a vertical line from that 1 1/4 inch mark down about 7 inches for the length of the ears. Putting the spool wood in the vise, I am going to use my jigsaw to cut along those 2 vertical lines I just made. Now I'm going to take and put in a larger drill bit and drill 2 to 3 holes so that I can cut another line to remove the piece of wood. And that way I will be left with bunny ears. Drilling these holes large enough for my jigsaw to go into so that I can cut the board across and remove this piece of wood, and again I am left with bunny ears. I drilled a 3rd hole in the center here, but I didn't need it. Now I can get my jigsaw blade in here and cut perpendicular to the 2 lines I cut with the jigsaw earlier. Timber! I made notches about 4 inches down from the ears to differentiate the face from the rest of the bunny body. I am staining our Easter bunny an antique white. This is going to be a super cute spool wood bunny, and he is so easy to do, and we can make money selling these little bunnies. I used a paintbrush to get in the little crevices I couldn't get with the rag. Now it is time to make our Easter bunny face. I didn't like the eyes I originally drew, so I'm using a dime to get the right size for his eyes. Much better. Using black paint to paint the eyes. Our bunny is coming to life. Nose, mouth, and cute bunny whiskers. Doing a bunny dance because I'm getting excited. I am using this inexpensive string and some pastel colored wood beads to make our Easter bunny a very colorful and fun necklace. I string each bead and I use this little stick to help push the string through because sometimes it wants to fray. I decide that 9 beads will be the perfect size necklace for our spool wood Easter bunny. This necklace will stay perfectly on our spool wood bunny because I made those 2 notches at the neck level of our bunny, and the necklace will sit there and stay in the place it should be. Look how fun this necklace is, and it was so easy to make. Let's try it on, see how it looks. I think I like it. Let's tie it up. I added a little white to his eyes for light reflection to look more real. I would like our spool wood bunny to be a freestanding bunny, so I'm going to use this scrap piece of pallet wood to make a stand for him. I marked out where I want the stand to be. Next, I'm going to use my drill to make a hole. Now that I have drilled the hole in the stand, I'm going to place it on the back side of our bunny, put it on the place that I marked I want it to be, and place a screw into the stand and through the bunny. How about that? I made a family of bunnies with different faces, some girls, some boys, different colored necklaces. I just had a lot of fun with it. I think they look great on stairs. I think they look good if you put them on a little table or trunk, such as I did here. And I also think they look good on your bar, as you see now. Happy Easter to you all. Make some spool wood bunnies because they are poppin'. Poppin PJ has something for you.